Tune in next week for the Aesthetic Society. We're doing an amazing panel. I'm gonna be moderating with Chia Chi Kao. He's talking about his signature ponytail facelift, which is the biggest thing in facelift surgery today. Certainly everybody was talking about deep plane facelifts, and that's important, but this is deep plane facelifts done endoscopically. And really that is the next pioneering level of surgical intervention, is to provide surgical intervention with virtually incisionless approach. Obviously they're incisions, but they're hidden up in the hairline and they're very difficult to see, or they're back behind the ear. As moderator, I get to help Chia Chi share with everyone how to get started into this, because honestly, those of us who are doing a lot of facelifts and have been doing them for 20 years, these techniques are changing. If you are working with somebody today, they did not get trained on this 20 years ago. These are techniques that have evolved and become successful over the last couple of years. And so it's really, really exciting to see it becoming more mainstream. When we were back at the Aesthetic Society meeting in Boston back in May, Chia Chi's course for ponytail facelift, completely packed, totally sold out. So much interest, so many people wanting to come and learn all of these minimally invasive endoscopic techniques. I truly think that deep plane facelift is the big buzzword right now. Look for the term endoscopic facelift. This is going to be the future. Chia Chi Kao is going to be sharing his nuanced secrets about the ponytail facelift. But what's so great about Chia Chi is he's running the Ponytail Facelift Academy. And I'm very honored to have been asked to be one of his faculty for the next course, which is going to be in Pittsburgh. And hopefully you can come and participate in that. But if you can't, look for this presentation as a way to try to understand how you can get started. How do you go from being an open facelift surgeon to being an endoscopic facelift surgeon? A couple of key points. One, read the literature. There are tons of papers out there. Chia Chi's is the signature paper. Start there. Two, watch videos. There are a lot of great videos out there. Mark Manny has an awesome video. Chia Chi has a great video. Go search these out. A lot of times they're with QMP, and it can really help you figure out some of these nuanced differences. And then the third, go buy the equipment. You want to invest in really high quality stuff like I have, Stores, which is fantastic, scopes, as well as endoscopic instrumentation, as well as the monitors and the whole platform. You need all of this to be able to visualize very clearly. On top of that, you need some very specific instrumentation. You're working down a very small tunnel, so you need very long instruments. They're very delicate, they're highly precise. You have to have all of the right equipment if you're going to entertain doing this operation. So as a recap, read all of the papers that are out there. Again, starts with Chia Chi Kao's Ponytail Facelift in the Aesthetic Surgery Journal. Two, watch videos. There are lots of great videos on the Aesthetic Society's website. Also, QMP has some great videos. Mark Manny's are fantastic, and Chia Chi's are on there as well. Third, go out and invest in very high quality instrumentation. I use Stores for the endoscope, as well as the tower and the monitor. And then also Black & Black has a lot of really good instrumentation. You need, these are highly specific and specified and curated pieces of instrumentation. And so you need to go procure these and have these. You can't be trying to enter into this space without having the proper tools. It's just like being a pilot. I've been a pilot for over 35 years. You have to do your training, you have to do your recurrent training, and you always have to practice. And so that's the final part of this. You've got to use these techniques if you want to become excellent at them. One way to do this is you can introduce endoscopic surgery into your open surgery. One of the tricks that I use is when I'm doing a full facelift, I'll start out doing the approach endoscopically, and then I'll open it up and I'll see exactly where I went. Oh, I could have gone further with the endoscope in this direction, because when you look at it, you can see where all the different elements of the anatomy are once you open it up. Endoscopically, it's very challenging, it's very difficult. So if you're looking for an endoscopic surgeon to help you achieve that minimally invasive facelift, look for somebody who has done Ponytail Facelift Academy training, because that's somebody who's really committed to their educational objectives and achieving the best outcomes for the patient. Tune in on Saturday, August 8th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, because I know we have people from all over the world watching, to watch Chia Chi share his innovations. I'm gonna be there moderating. Should be an awesome day. Take care.